Have you heard of this organization by the name of Internshala? I think few of you must have heard, but in case you haven't, this video is going to be very good guide for all of you there. So what is Internshala? In simple words, Internshala is India's #1 internship and training platform with more than 40,000 paid internship in engineering, MBA, media, law, arts and other streams. So today I am going to focusing on end of season sale campaign or on 26th June to 30th June. 26th June to 30th June. Get lowest price ever on the biggest earning sale and up to 80% off. Earlier it was 65%, but now it is 80%. So free certificate after completion of course, and it will fetch you to get your desired job. Hey everyone, this is Altaf. You are watching Altaf classes. Let's without further ado get straight into the main content. Let me open the Internshala. Yeah, there are 20 plus online training in top field like programming, core engineering, content writing, sales and management among others. As you can see, there are 80% off on all training internship using ISP, and this one view training, and the time left is 3 days 11 hours. So scroll down. So the courses Internshala offering are AutoCAD, digital marketing, programming with Python, machine learning, data science, advanced Excel, programming with C and C++, French language, web development, as you can see. So I will provide the link for this one in description box as well as in comment box. So there are these all the courses. So now I'm going to choose a course. Which one I want? Yeah, I'm going to choose programming with C and C++. So as you can see, rating is 4.2 and total number of enrolled people is 13,095, and this is 8-week training program. And Internshala also provide placement assistance, means this will help you to how you will get a placement. So what you have to do is give your valid email and give you your password and first name, last name, and give your valid mobile number and choose batch. There are some starting batches from 27th June, then 1st July, 15th July, and 1st August, 15th August. Okay, then you choose your objective. Gain a new skill, build my own project, get an internship job, give as your on your basis. So the original price of the course is 4,999, but due to the corona crisis now it is 999 only. 80% off guys, and it is valid till 30th June. So you have to sign up. Then C++. So the training highlight is learn from home. Means you can learn from anywhere. So training certificate of training, placement as assistance, 172 video tutorial, build project, and this all. So yeah, after the completion of the course you will get a certificate like this. So it will help you in the placement. Okay, scroll down. So there are how we will you training your work. Watch the video, test your knowledge and quizzes, some project, and then final exam, then you will get certificate. Here is the syllabus, what they are going to cover. 12 topics is there. Okay, so let me go back. Yeah, if you want to review any video yet like demos like thing, then you have to go to YouTube Internshala channel. Then you can see, yeah, learn C and C++. There is some videos available. Precedence and associativity in arithmetic operator in C, C++. Learn
Hi guys,
C++.
in this video, we will learn about precedence and associativity in arithmetic operators in C, C++.
So after that, if you want to do internship on Internshala, for that I will also provide link so you can learn and earn cash reward. So this one is your internship. You can log in here and give your, this is summer intern of 2020 is going on, and you will get all the email details when any internship come. Okay, so I hope you may get little idea about Internshala in this session. In case you like this video, just hit the like button, and you are new to my channel, subscribe to Altaf Classes. If you had any query, please let me know in the comment section and I will revert to you as the earliest. Happy learning, goodbye, take care, and thank you for watching.